Hello my beautiful people, welcome back again yet to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. In today's video guys, I'm gonna be making creamy garlic pasta. Yeah, stay tuned guys, hope you enjoy the video. The ingredients of today, you can see them. Yeah, they are carrots, coriander, onion, courgette, pasta, garlic and ginger. We also have coconut cream, black pepper and chicken royco cubes guys. So hope you gonna enjoy the video. I will be taking you step by step of how I'll be making my pasta. So guys, it is as simple as watching. There is no need of me explaining each and every step. Yeah, so without further ado, let's just start. We'll start by boiling our pasta, and we're gonna take around 20 to 30 minutes. Yeah, because we don't want our pasta to overcook. Yeah, and so from there guys, we're gonna see whether they are ready. Yeah, just like that. It just took like 20 minutes. Yeah, so from there guys, that's when and since our pasta is ready guys, that's when we're gonna cook our onion. And in this case, we are not going to let it to cook until it is golden brown. No, it is going to take a few minutes. Yeah, and guys, if you're new here, kindly subscribe, watch and share. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting me guys. I don't take it for granted. Yeah, also guys, you can comment down below what you think about the video, and also you can suggest what you think I should cook in the next video guys. Yeah, so from there guys, we are not going to take a lot of time. That's when you go in with the garlic and ginger. Yeah, the essence of garlic and ginger guys, sorry, it makes your food have a unique taste. Yeah, that's why most of my food I like adding the two ingredients. Yeah, and then since we are not gonna take a lot of time guys, we're gonna go in with the carrots. As you can see, stir for like 5 minutes before you go in with the courgette. Yeah, I think 5 minutes are enough or even less. Yeah, that's when we go in with the courgette guys. So another 5 minutes so that you can go in with the rest of ingredients. It is as simple as that guys. When we yeah, the royco cube also, it makes your food have a unique taste or a unique flavor guys. So I highly recommend you guys to go and try this recipe, and then you just go in with a little water so that your royco cube can cook. Yeah, and from there guys, that's when we go in with the pasta. And let me tell you guys, this recipe was so yummy. The food was so yummy. I highly recommend you guys to go and try, and you can also let me know in the comment section after you've tried. Yeah, so guys, without further ado, that's when we go in with the pasta. Yeah, as you can see, and we just stir, let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes, depending, with a medium heat. Yeah, so guys, hope you've enjoyed each and every video that I post, and kindly you can go and watch the rest of the videos. Yeah, in case you have a question, you can ask me. And thank you so much guys. Thank you for supporting your girl this far. It has just taken God and you guys. Were it not for you, I wouldn't be here. Yeah, thank you. I almost forgot, I had to add black pepper. Black pepper is also another ingredients that make your food taste delicious. You can also try and also let me know. But I find it very tricky because some people don't like it, so it is your choice. Also the last, not the last thing, we're gonna add cooking cream. Then we stir like another 3 minutes. Yeah, we're not going to take a lot of time. Another 3 minutes, because we don't want our pasta to overcook. That's why we are taking shorter time. Yeah, so the last thing, guys, guess what? The last thing we are going to add is coriander, and after that we are done. Yeah, and thank you so much for supporting your girl. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel, guys. If you haven't watched, kindly watch up to the end of this video. I normally put Bible verse at the end of the video. Yeah, so it might help you in one way or another. So that's it for today, guys. I ate my pasta with minced meat, and it was so delicious. You can go and try the recipe and let me know in the comment section. It has been your girl Sarah Kitchen. Yeah, also suggest, tell me what you think, or tell me what I haven't posted, guys, so that I can keep track. Yeah, so that's it, and you can see I was eating to show you how yummy the food was. Yeah, so anyway, it has been your girl once again, Sarah Kitchen. Thank you so much, and I love you guys. Subscribe, watch, and share, and we see you in the next one. I love you guys.